As for us, our eyes as yet failed for our vain help.
We always think the white man's the savior. We always think he is God, he is Jesus. He's there to comfort us, protect us. This white man is not Jesus. He's not God. He's the devil the Bible speaks of.
In our watching, we have watched for a nation that could not save us.
In our watching, we have watched for a nation that could not save us. Give me a Rasheem. Rasheem Carter was murdered, decapitated. Tamir Rice, 12-year-old boy playing with a plastic gun. Cop drives up to him and shoots him. Sandra Bland.
3 days after her unlawful arrest, Sandra was found dead in her jail cell. Officials maintain that her death was a suicide. But
Go again. Good.
But friends and family adamantly reject this explanation and suspect foul play.
It was foul play.